Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, it's me Alfio, and this time I will read the fourth text about Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born in 1643 and died in 1727. He was a physicist, astronomer, mathematician, and a philosopher. He is considered as one of the greatest figures in the history of science. He was born the year Galileo died. He was greatly influenced by Galileo's work. As a student at Cambridge University in 1661, he became interested in physics, mathematics, optics, and astronomy. A plague caused the university to shut down, so he spent 2 years at Woolsthorpe, where he began to think about gravity and spent time pondering on mathematics and optics. After returning to Cambridge, he developed ideas of the reflecting telescope and from the mid 1660s conducted many experiments on the composition of light. He discovered that white light is made up of the same system of colors that are in the rainbow and established the behavior of light. He published his findings in a book called Optics. Newton also made contributions in mathematics, especially in problems related to analytical geometry. He discovered general methods of resolving problems of curvature, as stated in his method of fluxion and inverse method of fluxions. Newton used the term fluxion, the Latin meaning of flow, because he thought of a quantity flowing from one magnitude to another. Newton is known for his theory on gravitation. According to a popular story, Newton discovered gravity when he saw an apple falling from a tree. It was this incident that made Newton realize that it was a similar force that governed the motion of the moon around the earth. He calculated the force needed to hold the moon in its orbit, comparing this force with the force pulling an object to the ground. He wrote the Principia in 3 stages where he described gravitation as the most important force controlling the motion of celestial bodies. His laws of motion and universal gravitation predict very accurately the motion of stars and the planets around the sun. Okay. Thank you and goodbye.